Mathematics class for first standard.
Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira.
Children, in the previous class, we learnt about digits from 1 to 9. In this class, we will solve some exercises related to it. First, we will learn about more. As you can see, we have two groups of roses and apples. First, we should count the number of objects in each group. Then we should compare the group which has more. We will count the number of roses in the first group. 1, 2. So we will write 2. In the next group, we have only one rose. So we will write 1. Next we have apples. Now we will count the number of apples in the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. So we will write 8. Now we will count the number of apples in the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 apples. So we will write 9. Now we will color the group which has more number of objects. First, roses. 2 and 1. 2 is more or 1 is more? 2 is more than 1. So we will color the group which has 2 roses. Next, apples. 8 and 9. 8 is more or 9 is more? 9 is more than 8. So we will color the group which has 9 apples. Now we will learn about less. As you can see, we have two groups of pumpkins and bulbs. First we should count the number of objects in each group. Then we should compare the two groups and color the group which has less. We will count the number of pumpkins in the first group. 1, 2, 3. 3 pumpkins. So we will write 3. Next we should count the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pumpkins. So we will write 4. Next we have bulbs. Now we will count the number of bulbs in the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bulbs. So we will write 5. Now we will count the number of bulbs in the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bulbs. So we will write 6. Now we will color the group which has less number of objects. First, pumpkins. 3 and 4. 3 is less or 4 is less? 3 is lesser than 4. So we will color the group which has 3 pumpkins. Next, bulbs. 5 and 6. 5 is less or 6 is less? 5 is lesser than 6. So we will color the group which has 5 bulbs. Children, now we should see the number given in each strip and circle the big number. First we have 4 and 2. Which is bigger? 4 or 2? 4 is bigger than 2. So we will circle 4. Next we have 6 and 9. Which is bigger? 6 or 9? 9 is bigger than 6. So we will circle 9. Children, now we should see the number given in each strip and circle the small number. First we have 8 and 7. Which is smaller? 8 or 7? 7 is smaller than 8. So we will circle 7. Next we have 2 and 6. Which is smaller? 2 or 6? 2 is smaller than 6. So we will circle 2. Now we will learn about after and before numbers. After number means one more than the number or counting forward. First we have 6. See these numbers. As I told earlier, after number is the number which comes after. Which number comes after 6? It is 7. So we will write 7. Here we have 2. See these numbers. Which number comes after 2? It is 3. So we will write 3. Before number means one less than the number or counting backward. First we have 9. See these numbers. As I told earlier, before number is the number which comes before. Which number comes before 9? It is 8. So we will write 8. Here we have 8. See these numbers. Which number comes before 8? It is 7. So we will write 7. Children, now we should fill in the missing number. First we have a elephant. The elephant is holding 3 and 4. The box after that number is empty. Which number comes after 4? It is 5. So we will write 5. Next we have a dinosaur. The dinosaur is holding 6. The next two boxes are empty. Which number comes after 6? Yes, it is 7. So we will write 7. Which number comes after 7? Yes, it is 8. So we will write 8. Next we have a giraffe. The giraffe is holding 4. The next two boxes are empty. Which number comes after 4? Yes, it is 5. 6 will come after 5. So we will write 5 and 6. Next we have a lion. The lion is holding 7 and 8. The box before the number is empty. Which number comes before 7? It is 6. So we will write 6. Next we have a dog. The dog is holding 2 and 4. Which number comes between 2 and 4? It is 3. So we will write 3. Next we have a deer. The deer is holding 7 and 9. Which number comes between 7 and 9? It is 8. So we will write 8. Children, till now we learnt about numbers from 1 to 9. Now we will learn about 0. Children, see these pictures. What is there in it? You can see trees, monkeys and girl. How many monkeys are there in first picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monkeys are there. So we will write 4. How many monkeys are there in second picture? 1, 2, 3. 3 monkeys are there in second picture. So we will write 3. How many monkeys are there in third picture? 1, 2. 2 monkeys are there in second picture. So we will write 2. How many monkeys are there in fourth picture? Only 1 monkey is there. So we will write 1. See the last picture. Are there any monkeys? No, there are no monkeys. If no monkeys are there, then how will you count it? Yes, we will count it as 0. There is no 1, there is nothing. These terms are represented by 0. So we will write it as 0. See these pictures, children. How many children are playing with skipping rope? In each picture, in the first picture, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 children skipping. So we will write 3. In the second picture, there are 1, 2. 2 children are skipping. But no one is skipping in the third picture. So the number of children skipping in the third picture is 0. See the first picture. There are no monkeys dangling from the wire. So number of monkeys dangling from the wire is 0. So we will write 0. See the second picture. There are no fruits in the basket. So number of fruits in the basket is 0. So we will write 0. See the third picture. There are no chocolates in the jar. So number of chocolates in the jar is 0. So we will write 0. There are no flowers in the plant. So the number of flowers in the plant is 0. So we will write 0. Children, now we should look at the picture and write the number of objects in each box. In the first box, we have tortoise. First we should write the number of tortoises and birds. Are there any tortoises? Yes, there is only one tortoise. So we will write 1. Next, are there any birds in this picture? No. No birds in this picture. So we will write 0. See the second box. Here we have flowers. First we should write the number of fruits and flowers. Are there any fruits in this picture? No, there are no fruits. If there are no fruits, we should write 0. Next, flowers. How many flowers are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. So we will write 5. In the next box, we have pens. First, we should write the number of pencils and pens. Are there any pencils in this picture? No, there are no pencils. If there are no pencils, we should write 0. Next, pens. How many pens are there? There are 1, 2, 3. 3 pens. So we will write 3. In the next box, we have dolls. First, we should write the number of balls and dolls. Are there any balls in this picture? No, there are no balls. If there are no balls, we should write 0. Next, dolls. How many dolls are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dolls. So we will write 7. Do this homework, children. Thank you, children.